Hey guys, I just stopped on the road at a Circle K gas station. I am on my way back to school from Thanksgiving break, and it's my first truck stop footy, so I decided that I would record it. If you can see outside, there's Circle K. It's kind of crazy out there. I don't know if you can see. There we go. There's a million people here, and well, okay, there were, but it's really crazy. There's a storm coming, and so people are like trying to get out of the area as soon as possible. So of course I'm sitting in the gas station parking lot. But as you might be able to hear, I have my Hanson music on because that's what I listen to when I'm driving. I have probably about an hour and a half left to go, and decided I should get some snacks. So here's my snacks. I got a mug root beer cream soda, which I have never seen before, so I decided to get it, even though it has absolutely no caffeine in it. What else did I get? I got some chocolate zingers because they sounded good. I've actually never had them before either, so yeah, thought I might try them. And as Taylor says, his drug of choice, also my drug of choice. I love Starbucks, and I always get a double shot when I'm on the road to keep me all caffeined up. And another one of my favorites, Cheez-It, white cheddar. White cheddar is the best. You should always get white cheddar. If you can't get white cheddar, get the Monterey, or yeah, the Monterey Jack, I think. It's like a mix. It's pretty awesome too. And got my water bottle. It's always there. It's my car, my stuff in the back seat. All the rest of my stuff's in the trunk. But I guess that's it for this time. If I stop again, I'll let you know. I guess that's it. So catch you guys later.